So let's talk about pie charts. Pie charts are perhaps one of the most commonly used charts, but they also have a huge problem with them. Let's take a look at this chart right here. Which slice do you think is greatest? What do you think the relative value of each slice is? Take a moment and see if you can guess that yourself. Okay, let's go take a look at some real numbers. If you pick tacos, then you're correct. That is the greatest. But let's focus in on this chart very quickly. Now that we have this information about which one is greatest, what happens if I take the pie chart away? Has there been any loss in information? Can you look at this and tell me which one is greatest? Of course you can. In fact, the right way would be to use a bar chart here. And why would we use a bar chart? Well, this allows us to understand the differences very clearly. By putting in a bar chart and sorting it, we see what the top value is and what the bottom value is. And we're also able to compare in between the values. We also even get the difference between each value. So we understand that grilled cheese, tater tots, and hot dogs, the difference between these are not very significant, but the difference between those and KFC, that is very significant. So you're probably wondering when you should use a pie chart. That's just a joke. You can still use them, but it's very important to understand how best to use them. One idea is not to go more than having 2 or 3 wedges. By having many more wedges, it's a lot harder to understand what's going on. Now, the data visualization research says not to use them, but I'll leave that up to you.